Hey, Danielle here with 4Patriots, and I've got an exciting surprise to share with you today. It's compact, rechargeable, and incredibly versatile. It can power hundreds of devices, from life-saving tools to everyday conveniences, and it will easily save you thousands of dollars in the long run. What am I talking about? This little guy right here. Now you're probably thinking, Danielle, that's just a AA battery. What's so special about that? Great question, my skeptical friend. This may look like an ordinary AA battery, and for all the tools that require them, it functions just like the AA batteries you've come to rely on to bring devices to your life. Flashlights, radios, remote controls, that mouse for your computer, so much more. But when you look under the hood of this seemingly ordinary battery, you'll find it's anything but ordinary, because hidden inside is a USB charging stick, which means wherever you are, at home, in the car, even at your computer, anywhere you find a USB connection, you can recharge this battery quickly and reuse it over and over again. What I'm saying is, with a pack of these on hand, you may never buy batteries again. No more digging through the junk drawer searching for a battery when you need one. And no more worrying about whether the batteries you do find are still any good. Now, while this technology here is exciting, our USB batteries couldn't be easier to use. All you need is a USB charger, like the one you use to charge your phone. Just flip the cap on the battery, plug it in, and they're ready to charge. The color indicator shows you exactly when you're back to full power. So no guesswork. Red means it's charging, and blue means you're back to full and ready to use. And each battery is specifically designed not to overcharge. These reliable and reusable batteries hold a charge for months at a time and recharge fast. And like I said, there's no need for special or expensive battery chargers. Any USB charger will do the trick. Having a few sets of these batteries on hand means you're always ready to go, no matter what the situation. Need portable power for your go bag or hurricane box? Check. Like to travel with your computer and need to keep that mouse going? No problem. Christmas morning and the toys you got the grandkids are stamped with that dreaded message, batteries not included. Yes, Virginia, these USB batteries have got you covered there as well. At 4Patriots, we champion freedom and self-reliance. And we work hard to find everyday conveniences that work overtime to protect you in a pinch. And save you money too. Nobody likes buying batteries. They're wasteful and expensive. And unless you make a trip to a recycling station, they're absolutely awful for the environment. But our USB batteries can be drained down and recharged over and over again, at least 500 times. Think about that for a second. If a 4-pack of regular AA batteries runs you $7 or more, that means each 4-pack of 4Patriots USB rechargeable batteries is worth at least $3,500. Incredible. With our USB batteries, you're getting more reliability, more compact convenience, and of course, more money left in your pocket. No wonder so many people pick up multiple kits for their purse, backpack, garage, tool shed, wherever they'll need them. And they make a great gift too. Plus, when you stock up, you'll get an incredible bonus worth $49 all by itself, the Patriot Power Cell. You can recharge your batteries, your phone, anything that charges via USB for free with the power of the sun. All of the details about the 4Patriots USB rechargeable battery kit are on the page below, but I encourage you to hurry. These batteries are getting really popular, and if we sell out, it may take a few months before we have them back in stock again. So don't wait. Check out the details below right now.